Let's do a quick bathroom reset with me. Because nothing makes a home feel cleaner faster than a fresh bathroom. And I'm using my Clorox Toilet wand system because I refuse to keep a gross toilet brush sitting in the corner. This is an all-in-one setup. You get the long-handled wand, a compact storage caddy that keeps everything looking tidy, and disposable scrub pads. This pack comes with both the original pads and the Rainforest Rush scented ones, so your bathroom actually smells fresh when you're done. Here's the part I love most, the pop-off design. When you're finished cleaning, the pad releases straight into the trash, so you're not touching the mess, you're not rinsing out a brush and putting it back in to live in your bathroom. That's not for me. The pads are preloaded with cleaner, so you're not juggling a separate bottle and a brush. It's simple, it's quick, and it's made to tackle the stuff that really builds up, like hard water and lime stains, without a ton of effort. And the little caddy? So underrated. It keeps your refills in one place, looks neat, and makes the whole setup feel organized instead of cluttered. Easy, tidy, and one of those small routines that makes your whole home feel more put together. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work. Consistency is my standard.